Okay, another box. What did we get this time? Okay, this one's more eBay crap. Came from Virginia. Good tape. Popcorn special. Messy. And cylinder head. I'm going to guess cylinders. Looks like panel parts. Who knows what we got here? Oh, I know what these are. What kind of parts I like. Racing cylinders, that's what I like. Big assholes. Must be axtell. It says axtell on it. Only slightly rusty. I'm going to guess Evo. And for once I got two of something. I buy a lot of these one at a time. I have a big problem. I like racing parts. Looks like another axtell. And this one's got a stroker plate in there. It needs to be more height. So, what do we got? So these are O-ring style. Still has the O-ring in there. So no head gasket, just an O-ring. So you got 8 bolts from the top, or 4 bolts from the top, and you got 4 from the bottom. So that's 8 head bolts. You don't blow gaskets. 8 bolts on there. So let's see what we got here. Look pretty thin. $3,890. So 825 is standard. So that puts these at 60 over. So these are worn out, maxed out. Until they get maxed out by the bore. These are a 4-inch register. So there you go. That just means you gotta get custom pistons made. Good for one more time. What's this one here? A little tighter, 8.4, 8.5. A little bit out of round. We got down here 8.91, 8.93. It's worn out on top, and that's due to all the rust. 4-inch again, maybe 4-inch again. There you go. So let's see. Oh, they both got stroker plates on there. So let's see what they're made for. So you got 2 different motors you can put together. You can put together a short stroke or long stroke. So it looks like we're about 5.3 inches. We're about 10 thou under that. And then with the plate, 5.4 or about 10 over. So it's a 100 thou plate. Oh, there's a little bit different angle. There's 400 on the nut, 5.4. So 100 thou plate means you can run a 200 thou more stroke in it. Perfect. I like more stroke. I don't know what stock length is, so they are what they are. So these are finless chromoly, maybe, or cast something. Not sure what they're actually mounted out of chromoly. Sound like steel. No major damage, which is a big plus on these big motors. Just worn. The rust isn't too thick, so probably maybe a 5/0 bore or more. You might get it. Yeah, it's pretty rusty up here. Probably another 10 thou will get you what you need to do. Obviously, had something here that was in the way. They cut the piss out of the cylinder, making room. So there you go. So you want to build yourself a big ass Harley motor with stock cases. There you go. So these are 97 cubic inches with stock crank on an 80-inch Evo. And being 60 over, that's probably good for another 4 or 5 more cubes on top of that. So basically it's a bolt-on 100-inch kit right there, right? And then if you accidentally put some stroke to it, you can go up to 116 cubes. Yep, in a stock Harley case. Of course, now you can buy aftermarket motors for nothing. So, but still, if you want to deal with old motor, keep your old cases. That's the kind of crap you do. Vintage racing junk. I'll put something together like that. See, I can take this big piece of crap, take this little small 3-inch bore, spread them case apart with about a 1/2 inch spacer in the middle at least, maybe 3/4, widen it up, put that on top, and get a big motor. But then the crank wouldn't fit, the tranny wouldn't fit, and nothing else would fit either, so yeah, it doesn't fit. That means fire the welder up and do it that way. But if there's a weld, there's a way of doing stuff. You can also take it and take your 51 panhead motor here, and you can take your genuine Evo case, and you go, boom. If you notice, those 2 head bolts line up. The base studs, those studs are actually lined up right now. So there you have to do a little, you have to open it up a little bit to put that in there. And it's a little thin on this side. And the oil hole will be gone. But these are only minor problems for racers. See, we can overcome. So what you do is you slot this out, move it over a little bit to there. Keep the case at the same distance right there. See how you do that? Or only just cut a little bit of that away. And you widen your case half out a little bit, and you're good. And this one looks like it's in the center, so it might work. But then you can put a big ass panhead motor together with Evo heads on it. That would not be a panhead anymore, then, would it? But anyway, that's what these are for. All right, more junk. I like junk.